Where do I need to go?
So like throw it right in front of you out there. Yeah,
Like by
by those
that big
rocks.
rock?
Yeah,
Okay.
good one. Yeah, perfect. All right, now stop. Okay, real.
I was thinking.
You see him. You see him. The fish is swimming there, trying to get it. That's close. So throw it. You can throw it to that rock again.
Okay. You get it.
Yeah. Perfect.
Oh, that's like a fishing lure. I mean, a fishing thing. Stop. Oh,
Yeah. You're doing really good. All right, let's try it again.
okay. Hold on. Ooh, nice. Oh,
Yeah, there's big rocks over there.